What's up, guys? DapperxDan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. It's currently probably 45. We get past all these slow people. And today we're going to be talking about a couple suggestions that I have to become a better rider. But first, let's roll the intro. Alright, you guys, here's a few tips and pointers that I have to make yourself a better rider. And the first one that I have is buy yourself one of two things, either a stunt bike or a supermoto. Something that is designed to be crashed. Ooh, that undertail exhaust feels good today. It's keeping me nice and warm. Yeah, so the reason I say one of those is because supermotos can take a lot of abuse and they'll just keep on running. You can drop them as many times as you want. They're designed to take a fall. And a stunt bike usually is like a already wrecked bike, and usually they have like an XO cage around the outside, so if you drop it then it's completely fine. And the reason I say to get one of those is so you can push yourself further on your limits without worrying about if you crash and worrying about your bike. Because in the event that does happen, your bike will be fine. And then my second piece of advice is to ride with people who are better riders than you, who will push you on the ride, but you have to know your limits. Say they're doing like 100 through the twisties or something, and you're only comfortable doing 80. Just do 80. Yeah, and you'll be fine. They'll wait for you. You'll catch up eventually. It's not that big of a deal, but if you ride with people who are better riders than you, it'll help you become a better rider, because you're doing what you can to keep up with them. If they're faster than you, you're doing what you can to keep up with them. And my third piece of advice is, if you are able to, if there's a track near you, I know it's expensive, but go to a track day. Track days, you don't have curbs and stuff on the side that you'll run into. Anything on the side of the track usually just is gravel for like 50 or 100 feet, so if you did go off track, you'll just slide in the gravel. You don't gotta worry about rocks and stuff that you'll run into, or a hill if you're riding through the canyons. You don't have to worry about rock walls or anything. And they generally keep the tracks pretty clean. They'll usually clean it before the sessions. So get a track day for yourself and feel free to go all out at the track day. That's what track days are for. I know they're a couple $100, but you gotta save up and spoil yourself every once in a while. The nearest track to me is IMI, I believe, and it's a pretty small go-kart track that they let people ride every once in a while. This bike would be way too big to be on that track. Like, you would never get out of first gear at all. So that would be a track that I would take the Supermoto to if I ever got a chance. And yeah, so those three things will make you a better rider. Get a bike that you don't care about. You don't care if you wreck it or not. Ride with people who are better than you, and take yourself to a track day. I've heard so much positive things about track days, that people learn so much about apexing and stuff. You'll just learn so much, and that'll help you become a better rider. Then that's what you want. The better rider you are on the track, the better rider you'll be on the street. Not just doing high speeds or anything, but just being more focused and aware of your surroundings. And make sure you guys stay tuned for next week, because next week is that special video I was telling you guys about. You guys don't want to miss that. I think you guys will enjoy it. I'm sure excited about it. And we'll get a daily 100 in here before we end off this video. Maybe. Smoke from the diesel, I think. Come on. You guys suck. Come on. There's 100. That was fast. That's pretty much all I got for you guys. If you guys like today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Alright, here we go. That was close. There we go. Alright guys, see you later.